first thing I want to do is I want to bring that out. It's going to be hot in the middle. I'm going to bend it using the Pritchel so I get a horseshoe shape. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go for the bend. Try to figure about halfway, and then over, and then just lift it straight up and out. And like I said, if one of them's taller than the other, grab that short one like that. Tap the big guy down to meet it.
Okay.
All right. This is the area I'm going to scarf, and I'm going to scarf it using the edge of the anvil. I'm going to hit it once, pull back, twice, pull back, 3 times, pull back, flip it over, and now I'm going to do the opposite side.
Okay.
Right. So you go ahead and you grab it, come over here, start here and go. 1, 2, 3. Now bring them over here and drive one past the other one. Now I want the scarf ends to touch. Drive it past. So you just want them so they're covering one over the other. You got plenty of room for a weld, plenty of material on both sides. So it's at this point that I'm just going to bring it up to a red heat, brush, and flex it. If you don't hold on tight, you don't want to pull it right out of your hand. Just shake it on like that and try to get down in the crack. See how it just has a nice little glaze over it?
Yeah.
That's what you want. Okay, now in the fire. This is what I call a rock and roll. You want to keep moving, and you're just shaping that weld all the way around the top. Those guys are welded together. When I go and do what I call a rock and roll is I'm moving it this way, pulling it onto the horn, keeping it supported, and going this way. Can you see the tips? So now from now on, keep one ring on one side and the other on the other of your tongs.
Okay.
Okay? Now, if this is your last one, same thing, brush and flux. Get it down in there. This is important. You want to make sure you get it set up really good, right in the fire. You want to heat on that zone. On this side of the horn with your hammer, the horn is doing to the opposite side of the ring, right? And then the last thing you do is you throw it up in the air and you try to catch the last ring. Alright, so now, go ahead and put your tongs on. And you're ready to scarf. No, flip it. There you go.